Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the tutorial channel. This round I want to run through the Error 404. This is actually a recent release. I think as far as I know, the first premium model of the S15, the Silvia S15. So it has been really very hot in the Hot Wheels side of things. But premium wise, I don't think anyone else has made it apart from Error 404. That's why I thought that this is actually a very interesting piece. They've released two colors so far, which is the white and also the red. Okay, so I have them both in front of me, and let's check it out. Okay, so these are made in China. Okay, not suitable for kids under 14 years old. So packaging wise, it's in a box. Okay, with the cover sleeve on the side. So it's yeah, not much information on the box itself. I believe it's the same for both. Okay, so let's just go straight to it. Let's check out the red one first. Okay, alright, just set that aside. Check out the background. I don't know what effect is that called. I don't know what is that, rainbow effect or something. This is somewhere. Looks like it's a finish line or start line from somewhere. Okay, I think it's the same for both. Yep, it's pretty much the same for both the red and the white. I do like that white color marble kind of look to it on the base. It looks quite cool. Okay, no wonder I can't get it out. There's a sticker. Let's just get it out of the way. I've never liked this kind of sticker. It always leaves some sort of stain on the surface. So that's one. There's stickers on two sides. I'm going to take that out as well. Okay, let's just put that aside. Look at that red. It's a bit of a metallic red with the carbon fiber hood. Nice. So the base has a very, yeah, it's a seriously carpet kind of feeling to it. So it's limited pieces of 499 pieces. This is number 356. So I noticed most of these cars now do have a running number. So there's Error 404 logo underneath, and it's on two screws. Okay, look at that. So I've done a video on Error 404 on their Evo 9. I believe that was some time ago. That was actually quite an interesting model. Now this one again is definitely a head turner. I believe this is a Vortex body kit. Okay, let's check out the white. Okay. Again, it has that. This one is on the black color base though, so that's pretty cool. Again, it's 499 pieces, limited to 141 pieces. Okay. Let's just look straight to this. Wonder who's gonna do the die-cast version of this. I do hear a little bit of rumor here and there that someone's gonna do a die-cast version of it. But we'll wait and see, because it's definitely very nice to get a premium version of this rather than the regular Hot Wheels. Yep, again, it's a carpet finishing on the base, and there's a carbon wrap in front. The interior is quite alright. There's some details in there. The dashboard, a tachometer. Okay, let it zoom. Yep, there's a tachometer, the aircon vent, the center console. Nice. I'm just trying to check the wing. Is it a wrap or a print on? It looks like a wrap. It's just carbon fiber stickers. I really like all these little details on it, and it's actually really very cool. Nice, very nice. I'm quite glad I didn't miss these models. Okay. Oh, these are resin though. They're not die cast, they're resin. So that kind of does explains the crazy ass details on this thing. Let's get it out. Let's get it out. Okay, this one is, yeah, usually resin models is a little bit more fragile, so you gotta be a bit more careful, especially with the side mirrors. Okay, so it has some sort of cushion underneath. Just gonna place it back in there. This one as well. Okay, it's sticking onto the base. There we go. So yep, even underneath there's some sort of details. Oh, that's interesting. The screw rivet is on the side rather than the usual middle. That's interesting. Okay, that's nice that there's quite a few details underneath. Okay, the wheels don't roll. Okay, oh, that's not bad. At least you can turn it. Yeah, so none of my resin models can do this. Oh, but that it does kind of, I think it moved the my disc brake as well. I kind of did. I think I did move it a little bit. Crap. Still, I really like the little details. Number plate, the fuser, the aerodynamics fuser at the back, the little details on the fender. Check that out. I think I prefer the white over the red. Oh, the intercooler. Check that out. Cool. So I really do like this little detail on the fender. I believe it's I guess it's supposed to relieve the pressure on the wheel arches. That's very nice. I like that little detail here as well. That's pretty cool. Right? Nice. Okay, I'm gonna leave that on the base because it's pretty much the same body anyway. Cool, very nice. Okay, so as usual, I will be taking close-up photos of these guys and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there. Okay, virtutoys.mj, and remember to hit the subscribe button to follow me on more awesome diecast videos. All right, thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.